Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your corporation tax return online in Canada. First, understand that all Canadian corporations must file a T2 return each year, even if they had no income or were inactive. Most corporations are required to file electronically, and failing to do so can result in a $1,000 penalty. Begin by collecting essential documents like financial statements, your business number, and any prior tax returns. Next, you will need to choose a Canada Revenue Agency certified tax software. Popular options include TurboTax Business and UFile T2, which offer step-by-step guidance. Before inputting data, ensure your financial statements are accurate, covering your income statement and balance sheet. It is also crucial to correctly apply the General Index of Financial Information, or GIFI, codes to your financial data. When completing your T2 return, start by filling in your corporation's identification details, such as its legal name and 9-digit business number. Then, accurately report all income sources and claim every eligible deduction or tax credit your corporation qualifies for. You will also need to complete various schedules, like Schedule 1 for net income or Schedule 8 for capital cost allowance, based on your specific business activities. Finally, submit your completed T2 return electronically using your chosen software or directly through the Canada Revenue Agency's Corporation Internet Filing Service. Remember, the filing deadline is 6 months after your corporation's fiscal year-end. However, any taxes owed must be paid earlier, typically within 2 or 3 months of your fiscal year-end, to avoid incurring interest charges. Keep a copy of your confirmation for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.